Before learning to code in Python, let's see what Python is. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It's a great language for beginners and professionals alike. Here's a brief introduction to Python. Python is an interpreted language, which means you don't need to compile your code before running it. You can write and execute Python code directly. Python's syntax is designed to be easily readable, making it accessible to beginners. Indentation is used for code blocks, which enforces clean and organized code. Python is a general-purpose programming language, which means you can use it for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, and more. Python is a high-level language, which means it abstracts away many low-level details like memory management. This makes it more user-friendly and productive. Python comes with a comprehensive standard library that includes modules and packages for various tasks, making it easy to perform common operations without reinventing the wheel. Python uses dynamic typing, which means you don't need to specify variable types explicitly. The interpreter infers the types during runtime. Python is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for developers. Python has a massive and active community of developers, which means you can find abundant resources, libraries, and support online. Python has various frameworks and libraries for specific domains, such as Django for web development, NumPy and Pandas for data analysis, and TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning. Finally, Python is open source, meaning it's free to use and distribute, and you can modify its source code to suit your needs. I have already posted a video on simple Python example. Please follow, share, and subscribe to watch more.